Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best axes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. SOG Camp Axe. The Camp Axe is king when it comes to chopping and hammering power in a light, compact design. Use this axe at home, in camp and on the trail, and keep it safely secured with the included hard-molded glass-reinforced nylon sheath blade guard. While it is not clear from the description, this axe has a boomerang effect. If you throw it the right way, it will return to you in a neat elliptical pattern. I had no problem catching the return after just 15 minutes of practicing. Be careful though. If you are not expecting it, you can take an axe to the head. At number 4. WilFiks Chopping Axe. Great axe, great price. This axe is pre-sharpened. Used it right out of the box. The rubberized grip is solid and comfortable. It's much easier on my hand than last hatchet used. This axe has a nice weight to it and feels like a quality tool in the hand, lightweight and sharp. I needed to cut a stump out of my front flower bed and this axe made a quick job of it. Something that my heavier pickaxe didn't do. This axe is easy to use and perfect for camping. I brought it to the beach with me to cut down larger pieces of wood I loaded in the back. Now I keep it in the truck just in case. At number 3. Estwing Camper's Axe. Estwing's 14 inches camper's axe is the outdoorsman's must-have tool. Because it is fully forged in one piece with the handy tent stake puller notch and Estwing's patented shock reduction grip, this is a tool that will last generations. Whether you are chopping firewood for a campsite or your backyard fire pit, the camper's axe is the perfect size and weight for the job. It comes in blue, black and blaze orange, which makes it easy to find. Each axe comes with a durable nylon sheath. Forged in the USA. At number 2. SOG Folding Shovel Survival Shovel. The SOG entrenching tool advances the tradition of the classic survival shovel by making it more durable, more portable and more powerful. Hang it from your belt using the included ballistic nylon sheath or keep it in your pack for digging, hoeing, sawing and other essential survival tasks. A folding shovel can be an indispensable tool in today's constantly changing environment. When you need to move sand, dirt or snow, you wish you had that shovel close at hand. The all-steel construction entrenching tool features a tempered steel blade with teeth cut into it for cutting and slashing. The triangular handle is strong and fits the hand well. Finally at number 1. WatchFire 10 inches black. Awesome small axe. Handle is great. Weight is heavy and chopped my real yard 1/4 3/8 thick branches from weed that was growing into a tree. All the branches took one chop. I couldn't believe how well it chopped it down. I was done in 15 minutes. I normally use an electrical cutter. This was so much easier. I have no doubt this will work on light branches in the field. If anything, it works great for landscape maintenance and that alone makes this tool worthy of purchase. Very sharp from manufacturer, but I sharpened it even more after I WatchFire ahead. Can't wait to see what else it does. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.